it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you a LookFantastic beauty box unboxing. So yes, it is September and we have this month's LookFantastic beauty box to go through. I haven't opened it yet. I'm not sure what was inside. I can't even remember what our sneak peek was, to be perfectly honest with you now I'm thinking on it. So it's going to be interesting. Jake's joined us, if you can see him in the background. As he does most days recently, I think he just likes keeping me company. Okay, so I think it says on the box somewhere, I saw a sticker, oh there we go, LookFantastic Beauty Box September 22 V1, so I'm thinking this is variation number 1, possibly. Oh, it's their birthday box! I didn't know it was their birthday box, wow! Yeah! So it's a pretty box. It has the birthday box in lovely gold luxurious writing. Oh, let's open it up then. So once we open it up inside, we get our little booklet, which I'm so glad they put back in. We get some lovely tissue paper and a sticker. It's always really nicely presented. And then on the lid, there's usually a little saying, and it says, "Don't just count the years, make the years count," which is really nice. Okay, so I'm guessing the theme is birthday. Yeah, the theme's birthday. This September, the beauty box turns 6. We want to celebrate with all of our lovely subscribers, and we hope our birthday edition beauty box lends a helping hand. Our September box is full of amazing products, from luxury cosmetics to cult favourite skincare, and there's even an exciting facial tool thrown in the mix. Woo! So as ever, what I will do is I will go through the products in the box one by one and do the little write-up, read the little write-up. So if I just take the sticker off as gently as I can, I always rip it. Yep, we've ripped it a little bit. And inside, without looking at too much, there are our products. A little quick sneak peek. Okay, so our very first product then is from Illamasqua, and it is a mini Omg highlighter, or the Balm Mini Mary Lou. Okay, so you get one or the other. We've got the Illamasqua one. This is worth £10. So it says, "Get enviable glow with this gorgeous, with these gorgeous highlighters," because it's talking about the two of them. Both with a shimmering champagne hue to complement your complexion. I do love a champagne highlighter. Perfect for illuminating the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, and cupid's bow. And then it tells you how to use it, but we've all put on highlight, haven't we? So it is just a little, I'm assuming, mini version. It's not a full size, but to be fair, if you want a highlighter this size, it's pretty good. Okay, so it's very pretty. It's very gold kind of looking in person. It's like champagne, I think, would be more subtle, but the truth will be in how it applies to the skin, I suppose. Illamasqua's a really good brand, so hopefully that'll be nice. Okay, our next item is from Elemis, and I think, thinking about it now, this might have been the sneak peek last month, possibly. So this is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it is worth £30. There's 15 mils in here. It says this Elemis anti-aging cream uses the maximum concentrate of Padina pavicina, a powerful marine extract, to completely transform your skin. Its antioxidant properties improve collagen production to improve the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Apply to cleanse skin, massaging on face and neck. So yes, Elemis, an amazing brand. Love, love, love their stuff. So really pleased to get that in there. I don't believe I've tried this cream before, but I will certainly look forward to trying it. And again, these little kind of tubes are perfect travel sizes. Yeah, that's £30. I'm assuming it's £30 for the amount we get. I don't know. Okay, next we have a lip liner, and this is from Della Palma. That's not a brand I've heard of at all. So it's a mini lip pencil in the shade 80, which is antique pink. It's worth £9.32. It says this Della Palma lip pencil has a precise tip to really define the lips and a strong colour payoff. When blended all over to the lips, it gives a matte finish that will last for hours. I seem to have been getting a lot of lip liners recently in boxes. This looks like a good colour for me though, to be fair. So it's not a brand I've heard of. Colour looks nice, so hopefully it'll be nice. Okay, the next item then in our box is from Espa. We've had something from them before. It was a body oil. It's really nice. So in this one, it looks like we get an either or kind of a thing. It's either pink. It's either pink hair and scalp mud or a micellar cleanser. And it looks like they're both worth £5.10. I have the pink hair and scalp mud. It just seems to say pink hair. I'm assuming it's the pink mud. I had pink hair up until recently. Yeah, I dyed it. I really enjoyed it. So anyway, it does say these Espa products are sure to help you feel revived and refreshed. The pink hair and scalp mud is a rich treatment that works to deeply condition and to leave you with soft, silky locks. So that's that one. I won't bother reading about the cleanser really. It's micellar water. We all know where it does. So to do this, it says to massage into the scalp and damp hair and leave for 20 minutes. Then rinse away. So yeah, I'm always interested in some nice little pick-me-up treatments for my hair. So that'll be nice. Nice little treat. Okay, the next item in our box is a brush from LookFantastic. I don't know if I've heard of this brand before, if it just sounds like something else. Okay, so this is a large shader brush. It is worth £15. It says suitable for both cream and powder eyeshadows. This soft synthetic LookFantastic eye brush will be a great addition to your beauty kit. Can I not talk today? Sorry. Just wanted to kind of feel it. I feel like that's a good one. I'm always happy to get new eyeshadow brushes that I think I could use because I hate cleaning them. Really do. I got a proper brush cleaner for my birthday, which I still haven't used. So hopefully I'll try and use that soon. I'll maybe do a video about it. But that feels nice. It's a nice pink colour. So that's a good one to have in our box this month. So then the final item in this month's LookFantastic beauty box is a Jade Roller from Brushworks, which is worth £9.99. I have a Jade Roller, but it's not from Brushworks, so let's see what this one's like. It says to really take your skincare regime to the next level, this Brushworks facial roller is exactly what you need. Working to alleviate puffiness and tension on the face, this tool is great for massaging your favourite serums, moisturisers and face masks into the skin. So I was going to open it, but it's sealed. It's like, I have a Jade Roller. Do I keep this one? I think I probably will actually think about it because I dropped my other one on the bathroom floor and one of the tops keeps coming a little bit loose. So in fact, probably again, this is probably really good. And to be fair, it seems like a really good quality one. There's a good bit of weight to it. It might actually be better than the one I've got. So yay. Always happy for facial tools. We all know I love my skincare. I love my face masks. So perfect. Okay, and that's the end of that. But there is one more item in our box. What is it? Oh, is it a pop socket? Oh, I've never had a pop socket, so I don't really know. Ah, it is! It's a pop socket for your phone. So that's cool. It just says on it, LookFantastic beauty box. Oh, really nice. Oh, yay. Thank you, LookFantastic. A little extra little added bonus. It's your birthday and you're giving to me. How kind of you. Okay then, so a little rundown of the products in this month's box. We have the Omg Highlighter. That looks really pretty. Proof will be in the trying it. If you want a video about it, let me know. The Elemis, amazing brand. It will definitely use that. We've got mask brow hair. That'll be nice. Lip liner, which I don't particularly need, and I don't always use lip liner, but it's a really good shade, so I can definitely use it. Eyeshadow brush, always useful. And the Jade Roller is a really nice touch too. And then of course they give us a little free pop socket, which is nice of them. So I'm happy. I'm really happy with this month's box. I've been happy with LookFantastic for a while. I'm contemplating buying their advent calendar. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's a lot of money. And it's like, I'm getting these boxes, I get the glossy box, I've got a kind of a build up of products. Do I really need to be getting one? Let me know what you think. So before I leave you then, let's take a look at the sneak peek for next month's box. So if you don't want to be spoiled, look away now because I'm about to spoil it. Okay, so it is, I don't know what it is, it's from By Terry and it is their Balm de Rose Flaconnette. It is worth £14. I have no idea what it is, so I'm going to read it. Some kind of balm, I'm assuming. It says, this travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm. Ah, okay, it's lip stuff. It combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E, it glides onto the lips effortlessly while providing a subtle shine. It's perfect for on-the-go nourishment. It's just really nice. I haven't had a full-size product from By Terry before. I have had things in my pick and mix from Feel Unique, and I've really liked those ones. So that's a nice product to have, I think. Yeah, definitely. Anyway, guys, that is this month's LookFantastic unboxing. I really like the beauty box this month. I think we've got some really nice things. I'm genuinely usually quite happy with it, but drop me a comment and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's any standout products for you. What do you think of them? Let me know if you think any of that's disappointing. Did you get a different variation? Were you happy? What do you think? If you don't subscribe, does this box make you want to subscribe? Drop me a comment, let me know what you think. And if you have enjoyed the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. That would be fab. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could also hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. It would be fantastic to have you here. I do a LookFantastic unboxing every month. I do a glossy box unboxing. Hopefully that'll be coming next week if I get my glossy box. And if not, there will be sure to be some other fun things on my channel. I've just done a Revolution haul. I've got a fantastic eyeshadow palette to swatch. That'll be coming soon. So yeah, plenty to look forward to always. And I'm going to try and get back to Face Mask Fridays. Touch wood, you know. Slap my own wrist and get that done. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I will see you soon. Bye-bye. You said bye, Jack? Or are you snoring? I think he's snoring. Bye, guys.